12 years ago, nagsimula ang kwento natin. Isang kwento ng mga pagkakataong na-miss at mga plot twists na hindi inaasahan.
I remember that. I was always there for you. Laging nandyan, kahit na hindi mo ako pinapansin. A simple gesture, a quiet presence, but always looking out for you.
Yeah, you were always so kind, so patient. Pero ako, focus ako sa mga pangarap ko. Akala ko kasi dati, baka maging sagabal ka sa lahat ng plano ko. Kaya sa halip na ikaw, napamahal ako sa ibang tao.
I know. I knew you had dreams. Pero at that time, hindi ko naisip that you were making a choice that would pull us apart.
I said no, and that was it. We went our separate ways.
Then, July 7, 2023 happened. I never thought that day would change everything.
Sabi nga nila, may paraan ang tadhana para magtagpo ang mga tao kapag tamang panahon na. And this time, there was no doubt. Walang alinlangan. It felt like everything was falling into place.
This time, it wasn't just fate. It was us deciding to give each other a chance again.
Kahit may mga pagsisisi, I wouldn't change a thing because this, right here, is exactly what we needed.
I'm grateful too. Grateful that we found our way back to each other. Yes, there are some regrets na sana ako yung pinili mo noon pa. But now, I know that this is where we're meant to be.
I can feel it all around me, every moment, every heartbeat. Oh, this love is like I've never known before. So let's run and never look back. Oh, I know that what we have is everlasting and will be forevermore. Oh, and I will love you till the end. Every
Sometimes, the best love stories aren't the ones without obstacles, but the ones that overcome them. This is our story, a love story that proves second chances are real. That, no matter how long the silence lasts, love always finds its way back.